We all use WhatsApp in our daily life, and it's a vastly used communication application across major platforms, that is on Android and iOS. So to ease this communication, WhatsApp has added some features so that you can make your chats more efficient. So let's see the top 5 features WhatsApp has included in their application for you. So without wasting any further ado, let's get into the video. On number 5, we have WhatsApp Create Polls. With this feature, group participants will be able to share polls with other members, and approximately 12 options can be added as per the reports, and it's specific to Android users currently. Next one is Who Can See Your Online Status. This feature will help you to manage who can see you are online as per the new privacy setting policy. Now you can turn on stealth mode by deleting the online status option. On number 3, we have ability to import backup. Talking about this feature, it will help you to import recent chats and media so that you can back up to your crucial and important media files on your device, which will help you a lot. So on number 2, we have ability to undo delete for me option. So sometimes it becomes annoying when you click on delete for me option instead of everyone. But now you can retrieve messages deleted by mistake when you use the delete for me option. So you'll get a few seconds to use undo to get the deleted messages back. This feature is for iOS users currently, but will be soon rolled out to Android and desktop users too. So coming to our number 1 feature, and it is editing sent messages. So now just like Telegram, you can use the feature of editing the text messages sent earlier in WhatsApp. It will help a lot to edit a type or mistyped message, which is the coolest features till now. And make sure to keep in mind that some of these features are only for beta users and are in testing to roll out soon. So don't be disappointed if you don't have them currently. And I hope this video was helpful for you and you liked and enjoyed this video. If you do, give it a like and make sure to subscribe. Let's meet you all in the next video. Till then, stay safe.